Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I am going to show you how to plant some nasturtium seeds. And some fun facts, they are edible, so you can use them in garnishes or salads. And they are also climbers, or you can have them traded along your garden, covering up bits that you don't really want people to see. And over this weekend we are going to be sowing a lot of seeds, and I'll do a couple little videos on what seeds we're sowing and how we do them. And we're going to come back so you can see what to expect when you plant these flowers. First thing we're just going to do is we're just going to smooth over the soil, just like this. So just so we've got a bit of a nice, because at the moment you can see it's a bit rocky, and I just want to make sure that the seeds have the best chance to grow. So I think that's probably going to be good enough. And as you saw in yesterday's video, I spent the video de-rocking the bed. So if you do find any more, take them out. And so I've got two seeds in my hand here, and the reason we have two seeds is because on the instructions it also says to plant with two seeds, so if one doesn't grow, there's a very high possibility that you will still get one. And I'm just going to show you a quick little trick, because they need to be about a ruler length apart. So let me just step out and get my nifty little trick. So I've got a stick here, and it needs to be about a ruler length, so I'm thinking about here. This is my assistant trying to break the stick, and there we go. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just place them very close to each other. And so with the stick I'm going to place it there, and all I'm going to do is I've got 6 seeds here, and I'm just going to take 2 of them, and exactly the same again, I am just going to place them in the soil, and it's the exact same. So let me move over a little bit. So we do the exact same again, place the stick, get 2 more of these seeds, place them there. We do the exact same principle again, and these will come out in about I believe 14 to 21 days. So hopefully we'll get some flowers very soon, and hopefully maybe we can have them in a salad, which I think will be quite nice. So this is the last 2 we're going to be able to fit in, and there we go. So now I'm just going to get some compost, and we're going to dust it over with some compost, and then we'll water it. So we've had a slight change of plans to make the most out of the bed. We are going to sow we're going to sow another row in. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to place my stick this way, and it's going to be 30 centimetres this way. I'm going to take my first 2 seeds, and exactly the same before, if I can get them out of my hand, and exact same before, we're just going to place them next to each other, and we do the exact same again. And so here we have our compost, and this is multi-purpose compost, so we can do a variety of different things with it. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hands in, and I'm going to get a handful. So I'm going to do 2 handfuls worth on each bit. So don't worry about how much compost you're using, that doesn't really matter, because if you've got a big bag then it doesn't actually really matter. So there's a bit of big soil, so I'm just going to break it up like so. And so you can see the different shades in soil. And so what I've done is I've just done half a centimetre thick across all where we've done. And so those seeds should start coming up in about 14 to 21 days. And you can see what I've done, and we'll give these a good watering. And you can see here that I've got my watering can. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to move around here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to tip. I don't want to put too much water, but I want to put enough water so it. Alright, so I'm going to move along now, and it might look a little bit flooded, but trust me, all this soil will soak it up. and so we're nearly done. And I had just about enough to do this all. And if you're wondering when you can plant these, you can be sowing them from April to May, so which is now till end of next month. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, otherwise you won't know when I upload another video. But that's it for this video. Bye guys.